Hi guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome back to another movie. Alright, so this story, Woman Are Wicked, me did kinda, so mama want to know the want to know for watch and leave an opinion and comment what you think about the storyline and also what you think about the actors and actresses. A big thank you to Cherian, Poogie, Wayne, Sharina, Kemar, and myself and my mother to help you out to do this. If it would possible without all I wanna. My mother cook food, make sure that we eat and then we shoot and I don't want full hour, but yeah. It can go on. But me I gonna do an next part for it, but more want an opinion first. But even though whatever, Monday holiday independence, so some of them I say probably they can come or cannot because I drive and some of them don't live near me. Yeah, so thanks again guys and see the movie finally drop here. Everybody did anxious. Hope you enjoy the movie. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe if you are new and hit the post notification bell. Please do enjoy.
Hey beautiful, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look very elegant in that beautiful dress though.
Thank you.
Can I come out there so now we can go over here so we can have a decent talk now.
Fine.
So where are you from?
I'm from around here. What about you?
I have been living here and there, most likely I'm outside the parish.
So which parish are you mostly?
I'm mostly from Montego Bay, but now and then I come up here come visit my little brother.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I'm coming from work and the shoes are a little bit hectic, so I would like to go home and take them off.
Oh, okay, can I follow you home?
I would love to, but where I live, the people are very inquisitive.
Okay, can I have your number so I can text you sometime?
Sure, I'd love to.
Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day and take care of yourself. It's nice to meet you. Have yourself.
From the see, I'm not even take out my shoes yet. Yeah.
So how things are going with you now, sis?
Boy, you know, so everything good though, but work stressful bad.
Sis, me don't know how you do it, you know. You work and you do business. Me don't know you manage to do it.
Why? Me don't know no. Me just a try stop me no. Because they know say one hand can't clap. So me just a try to see if me can put food on my table.
Sis, me know you do it, you know, cause right now, me a look at job, you know, and me a do an online clothing store. Me know how to balance it.
Boy, you have to just try and balance it out, you know, because that's what we all see, you know. Things are getting very expensive and tough. So you have to just try do your thing and balance off your thing, yeah, man.
Sis, thank you for the word of advice. Now you really encourage me to do my business. Anyways, me I can try go me now. You do rain a fall.
So where you go? And I can't stay with me?
Girl, but I stay with you now, but me not even have charger for my phone or no clothes at all. So me can't stay down here.
But where you go? Even my drawers and everything on my wear can't fit you. Come on, make a go in.
Yes, good evening. My name is Shavy Brown and I'm calling from Lalsui State. Am I speaking Keisha Brown? Yes, I just want to say congratulations, you have won a sale of 9.5 million US and a brand new Mercedes. Yes, how are you feeling? Yes, I know you're feeling great. But there's a small problem. You have to send a small fee to make sure that he's the correct person. Is that okay? Yes, it's nothing much. Just 80,000 US. Is that okay? Yes. So do you have Cash App? No, you don't have that. You know Western Union? Yes.
Wicked man, Chris.
Yes, as I said, the name is Shavy Brown. Yes, Shavy Brown. Yes. Yes. As I said, I want to send the money to Western Union. Is that okay? 80,000 US? Yes. So I'm gonna call you and I'm gonna give you the name and everything. I'm gonna call you back. Give me 5 seconds. I'm gonna type in a couple of things on my computer. And I'm gonna get back to you, okay? Alright. Brother, I 80,000 US in that. BMW just a foot. BMW, brand new BMW. But you don't know you want money, collect money for me like, can do that?
Without a doubt, brother. Of course, me can collect that. I want to pay man with these.
Yes, do you have a pen and paper? I need to get a pen and paper. Yes, so that is Shavy, Xavi. Yes, Shavy Brown, 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 Portland. Is that okay? Yes. So the sooner you send the money, the better for you, okay? Alright. So I just send the money, send me the referral number. Yes. And then you get your prize, okay? Is that okay? Alright, thanks. Chop, she get chop. Chop, she get chop.
Yeah, brother. But anyway, still, and that I'm come to talk to you about you. Why you don't say the thing me in love do, you know?
You find love? You find love? How I go on now? Talk to me.
Yeah, brother. Me I tell him me I walk one day where I'm saying, tall, sexy piece.
Chum,
Yo, me just have to stop my it and just give her a few words, you see me? You know, me get the number, so I just start bringing her up on a little date. Or just so
That is it, bro.
Yes, my God.
That is it.
I saw everything go from there, so see if we can fall in love. From
Fall in love. You bigger than that thing, but you know say you love it boy. Now me the part that she get a DM my thing there, bro.
Brother, you to go kill you, brother.
I'm here older than you.
Exactly what you
But what do you right thing? See as me I say?
Alright, think to do, man.
What you may say now? See that money there? Or you collect it for me? Today. You see me I say? You collect it dog, bra for come on. You see it? You say Josh party
Yeah,
come on.
brother, you don't know things.
My thing here. What does do the thing for me?
Yeah, man, I collect that I make it get you. You see me? No
Right
say a
now.
word.
I text anything, you see it?
Alright, cool.
Chop, we get chop.
quite yet. Let's have a conversation first.
I really had a nice time. I really enjoyed myself, and I wish we can do this again sometimes.
Well, I also had a nice time and I hope
Babe, say breakfast here.
Thank you very much, darling.
I'm going to press the iron shirt for your guy work. Babes, you know say I love you though.
How do you want now?
You know I want someone to send us some others though for some lipstick or me that sell.
Oh, yes, man, babes, just looking at my wallet, man, you see backyard, man. Anyone you want, me have Scotia, NCB, and Jane, and Credit Union. So just take out one and me give you a code for it.
Alright, babes, I'm going to take it and make you get it back later when I finish using it.
Alright, darling. My baby, my son can't live right now. We'll never live no matter why, no.
Bye babes, I never cheat by you. You give me nice and good.
Tell you, say, when you ask for it back one, I tell you, one next to you, I swear.
Why? No man is alone.
Alright, now we can meet, you know. How that, man?
Wicked man, Christian. No.
No, babes, I'm going to put on some clothes.
They bought, man. What you say? How that? Gun, man.
What are you doing, wicked man?
King solid.
Everything good, man.
Nice time.
Proud, man.
Fuck you do here, bossy. Your wife there, though.
Yeah.
Evening, mum. Evening, mum. Evening.
What's it? Yo, brother. Wifey that tonight, you see me? She that wifey, meet brother. Brother, meet wifey. Introduce myself.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
Wicked man, Chris. There. Come in, stay.
Tell you.
Man, nice. See that?
Tell the boy one going to eat.
Trouble.
Come here, man. Go watch me, you know?
get ready. You don't want the place like you know. You want to get ready, Navias?
Oh, I get ready.
Me, person do this because of you.
What? What? Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. That's all I say. Stop, 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 stop. Pam Pam, come taste it. Let me see if it tastes nice. Come give me a piece now. Come taste and see if it tastes nice. Come tell what it tastes like. Give me a piece. Tam Tam, and piece.
You want something to eat? You don't want something to eat?
You know, I'm some Tam Tam.
You might talk, you don't want something to eat? You don't want my iron shirt?
Bang. Bang.
Why problem? You not talk to me, you change, you got work with crush up shirt, you come in late. Why problem? Just explain to me, come in not understand, you know.
By me change. Relationship not spicy again. You come in here, hottest thing, you know. You see me? Why you have thick like caramel porridge, you know. But right now, you just done one big pot of soup, mama. You think just water down. You know, see that? Look on you.
So what happened to me? Me not see nothing wrong with me.
What you mean by nothing wrong with you? You don't even look in yourself in the mirror. Woman, you gain pound like a England you live. I want to you, man. You come in here slim and trim and nice and sexy. Be a lingerie, be a latest thing you have. Right now, look for your night you have and look where you wear your garbage. Look for your bingo jaws you have and what that? But that no look good, that can't look good, no time at all. See, me have sex and just be a mama and papa. Nothing, no spice up, nothing, no foot now go there, so no dress and no ground. Can't manage them something, man. Them something there for all people, man. People who are married and settled long, woman. Our relationship still hot, you know, man. We still have a lot to learn, you know. You see me? You have to learn to adapt and try new things. May I introduce something to you, you don't want to do it. See, lingerie in Nigeria right now can't be but take them up. You don't put on none at all. Can't look good. Can't look good. Unless you have an next one out there, you want to bring up that healer, you know, man.
Fine, me get where I say yes. But what time I done their business?
6 o'clock. I ain't come in till 9, 10 o'clock. When you come in, you don't even eat. You must eat already or something. But when you come in, you never want to pay me no mind. So how you expect me to react and behave?
What you mean by? Anytime I come home and eat your food not taste good. I just don't want to tell you nothing, you know. Your food don't taste good, mama. You need to learn to cook that I want. And every single day at this bread, at this egg and bread. Me tell egg and bread. You see? So me have to go somewhere else, go eat, go with my friend them drink, and when I come home I just want to sleep. So I come home I just sleep, no I ain't talking with them, no I ain't dealings with them. If you're not gonna change to satisfy my needs, this not gonna make no sense.
So when me feel about that, if you're not showing no interest, what me supposed to do? Me I push out my all and you not give me nothing in return. What me for do?
At that we don't know, woman, now, because we've been together for so long. I've been showing you interest straight through non-stop. It's because of you. Because of you, the interest stop all of a sudden. You're not spicy up nothing again, mama. Look on you. You want to come to America and look on yourself? Yourself wouldn't be impressed with yourself. What the fuck? Yo, I'm not chatting with you, you see me? Just come to work. People book their appointment. We have reach on time. We take them picture. And thing. Just make sure say how you change your attitude, you change your personality, or else you're not going to work out.
Girl, you can't come look for me. Cause you know some me I'm plugging and work out too good and you just need to come look for me, man, cause I'm going for something to tell. I'm just stressed out right now. I don't even know what to do. Alright.
Sam!
Oi! Me I come, hold on, me I come. Come on here, let me tell you what I'm going.
So what I know?
Take a seat so we'll see the answer. So before I start talk about myself, what I want to feel? How young things are going?
Girl, but come here to talk about you. Cause sound like you're troubled today. Look at your face don't even look pleasant.
Boy, you know say, me and Shavin now going good again. Because I don't know what happened now, but yes, when me and him just start talk, everything that goes so good and nice and he treat me like a queen. But now, him don't even seem like he's interested in me no more. I don't even know what to say or what to do. Because when I try to talk, him cuss and say, oh, me have been nagging. So I don't know what to say to him again, I swear.
So what could I really cause that though? Why not try to spice up a relationship and see if that really cause a problem? Like go in at night time, put up like a candle and put on your sexy lingerie, and when him come in, you just greet him with it. And probably change up things and spice, you know, if I want to go back to the old ways.
Well, girl, I don't know, but I'll give it a try, because I seriously need to do something about this.
Try it and let me know what going with it. They ask me how things and things are going alright with the business and so forth. So I like the business I do so far and things are work out alright.
I'm glad to hear some things that work out for you. I'm going to try what you say and see what I'm going to, because my man Shavin need to work out things.
Alright, try and let me know what going with it and let me know. Anyways, I come go book and so forth. So go on, follow me go to the road. Later, Tom Tom. Come on.
Wicked man, Chris, I don't know.
Wagwan.
Yeah, no, we might go in there.
No, say, kind of work.
I say, I come check. So I go and feel make you look so today.
Boy, you know about things that go on. Come let me tell you that.
I try go down there. So talk to me now. Where you say go on?
Boy, you know, see me and Shabby not go and good door.
So where you say go on? Talk to me. You listen.
Boy, I don't know, you know, but from when him start talk, everything just change.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stand up. Spin over. Right now. Jesus Christ. But me I show you a vibe still, you hear me I say no. Body up and everything, you know, but you see your clothes where you have on. I cut it, you see?
Boy, I'm not saying wrong with the clothes I'm wearing. You like your body before, so you know what I'm doing. Boy, you know, so one time I Shabby not do nothing.
What you having on my bed, brother? What, we let alone here, boy? Yo, how you my brother going in there with?
Me and Brandon in here are going.
You mean by you in here do not have me see torn upon the bed naked?
Me and Brandon never in here are going.
You mean, if you give me bun, with
Why? Murder!
if you give me bun, I want you. Yo, I should never know you, man. I should know you.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, I am Kiera. What is your name?
I am Samantha.
Nice to meet you, Samantha. I want your face right there, so.
Boy, you know, so I start my side if I step them with you and lick up my face.
Samantha, you see before I read that place, yeah? I check out all I house them. I wish part you and your fiance or I don't know what, which part you don't live, no step there in that house. So tell me, I want to talk. What really happened to your face? Open up beat him and beat you, not say nothing about you, you know.
No, sir, I don't know nothing like that. Him not put him hand for me, like him love me, not put him hand for me.
Listen to me. I have been there, bruise on my face, bruise on my neck, my hand squeeze up, and me normally just tell people say, I drop off a step. Me know say, I have boyfriend, I love him, my son have one baby together, I understand that, but you can't sit down in this situation. It's wrong, you understand what I say to you? When I forget what I say. I dead, me nearly dead, you know. You know? I want my family member they save me, you know, and God make me there so right now. And that can happen to you too. So here what you do. Get out of that situation before it get worse. You understand?
Alright, may I tell you the truth? Please don't tell nobody, not tell no police, no. Please, me beg, because I don't want him getting no trouble.
Alright.
You know, for what they my beat me up though. And me just take care of him because I love him and I don't want him to go to prison, so I just go take it.
You know something, but anyway, here one. See next time you see us, I'm taking over. Family have my phone for you. Get out of that situation. Here, and nice meeting you. I'm not taking your advice.
Yo, go in the kitchen and get some water for my brain cup. Now.
See water here.
What kind of water this you come give, man? You don't know, sir, ice water I drink and it's tap water. My brother alone drink tap water and way you do, man.
So, make you throw the water for me.
What you mean, eh? Tell me nice, yo. Nobody tell me nice. Nobody bed, man. I want you, man. Tell me nice, yo. Nobody tell me nice. Nobody bed, man. I want you, man.
Hello? Detective Mark. Yeah, man, I Kiera this. You know what I said, though? Me there over me yard and me hear my neighbor over there. A beating woman. Right, which part I live. Normally, me always hear her, but guess what? When I time to talk to her, and she says she don't want no police involved. But just because me and your friend, I want you to come just forward. We show you where we went to your forward. Alright.
How you call?
Yeah, Detective Makina man. Yo, lift this.
How that? So how that knock on the door?
Yo, I'm here, go on.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man, let tell me no phone. Hear me I say. Let me properly introduce myself. You see me? Right now, Mr. Maka talk to you. You see me? Detective man. I'm gonna get a call, so you sincerely female like her. What you tell me, say go on?
Nothing to do, but she just want you some fear cramp, but I see her later ask her. Now do I nothing at all.
Yo, talk to me, oh boy, talk to me. Yo.
From week, he might beat me from week. Me tired of it, no, me tired of him. Me seriously done.
Yo, you hear what go on?
Me?
No man, no tell me no. Yo, hear me I say, man, me get the call. You can't tell me no phone. So here go on, man. Me go take you down my place. You see me? So what's your name, sir?
Sure.
What the fuck, man? Come on, man. Go okay. I don't get someone. Come here. Yo, come on.
Who that?
Me.
Me who?
Look here, you have to come out, you know. How you make me never go to jail. You have to come out here.
So what do you mean by me have to come out? Me not understand what you say.
You make me never go to jail. You need to come out here, give me the key and come out here.
Me not have no photo.
Oh, you mean you not have nowhere to go? You never go. You say you not have nowhere to go when you make me never go to jail. Come out.
Mommy, did your baby? Bye-bye.
Thank you. Go on, man. Go on.
Well, those were the good old times, you know, sis. Was fun and all. But so, anyways, tell me what go on with it now.
Why? A bag of things going on. But me still there what going still. Why? You know say Shabby did that change though. I'm asleep with him, brother.
What go on? How was it? Let me ask her that first before me ask her why.
Why girl, it was good enough, it was good. But me tell you the reason why it won. You know saying that change and he not pay me no money and him cause me say oh me not dress good and me not sexy and me not look appealing to him no more. So you know me just dey feel stressed out and something. So me just go look small with them too and then it just happen and me just relieve look stress.
Me not tell you lie, no sis. You do look all of them clothes there, no? Look like grandma back in the days. Jano, but I did look clothes that I used to wear still. But oh your man is sitting up there and make the man beat you.
Boy, you know say he never beat me at first. He never yet put him hand on me until after me do some. I know it's not my fault, you know. I know it's me cause I like it. But boy, I just one of them time there, man.
Boy sis, the sex was good but the lick did hot. But still sis, you should talk to somebody about it, so, you know.
Boy, girl, but you tell me neighbor, you know. But come to think of it, you know, say it come like I'm a neighbor call the police. Cause when him got beat me the time there, I take the lead and I take it. And 2 years, police come and knock on the door. And then them come lock him up. I mean, I wonder to myself, how the police them get to find out about that. Say, come on. So, you know, say me, I think me suspect the neighbor of calling the police.
Well sis, the neighbor right soon because I'm sure that kill you over there. If you didn't come, would I help you beat him, but John was star. So I go still. The best thing happening is that in the prison house and will lick you again. So That best thing can happen.
Well, girl, I miss him, you know. But anyways, guess what? The other day, I made up them and the baby light up in our house. Me hear the door bam bam bam. I saw who that she said the prices of me. When I go out there, I'm auntie. So I for come out time house and give her the key. So I just bother in and not even long talking with them, you know. So I just pack up my two little things and just give them the key and leave. And go back to my own yard.
Well, sis, a good thing that you're independent, you're from day one, you strive, anyway, sis. But still, come on, go walk over here now.
Hi guys, welcome to Kiera TV, and I am doing this promo for a restaurant that is located in, it is not at home sweet home in West End Negril. They say a place about the restaurant literally the panda same building there, but Anake restaurant. I don't remember why the name, but when you watch the video, you know I go see. So I do one little promo for you. So and then I go do some shooting there also. I already shoot a scene there. So I'm gonna go see how the place stays. So I'm gonna go and watch a video, go and watch a movie, and then hope you enjoy. I'm gonna go see the place. And so a nice place. Food not that bad because I ate there before. And it also have bar. So yeah, wanna deal with that for me, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Hope you enjoy the movie. Stay tuned, and please remember, if you come to Jamaica or if all who they have Jamaica anywhere in the world, you can come and Negril, and if you want to go somewhere, you go home sweet home and find a restaurant here. Big up on yourself. Golden decorate right here, so it's pretty. So I'm not going to regret it. So make sure someone come out to home sweet home. And then I'm going to see more of the place here in a hall. I'm going to move with them. Right now we're going to get one shot to our scene. So stay tuned. I don't know if one bad move go come out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. So on a watch a video, I want to see how a place look. The restaurant, it's located once more. It is located at Western Negril, Home Sweet Home Resort, right on the left side, not too far in a Western. You can find it. If you need more information, as you see the picture them and the video them. If you need more information about the place, you can contact me. My number go down in the description box below, or you can test it on Instagram. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and please go and visit the nice restaurant there. As you know, see, I want a good place so you can do parties, anything you want to do there. Yes, so as you know, see video, you know I say then as me say, West End Negril Home Sweet Home on the left side of the road, and we can last. If you need more information to find the place, just contact me. My number go down in the description box below, and my Instagram also. So yeah, thanks again. Big up on yourself. Thanks for your support. We appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the movie, and yeah, check out the place. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Remember to leave an opinion in the comments down below. Tell me what you think about the storyline. Tell me what you think about the actresses and actors. Thanks once more for all everybody who were involved in the film, and thanks for everybody who also been and support me. The subscribers, the viewers, comment, people that will always comment. I appreciate it. Continue to support me, and yes, so thank you for watching. Thanks for everything. I appreciate the love and support.